In Chittagong acquires a heavy production machine for 1 million takas. It incurs 50,000 takas on import duties, 30,000 takas on factory site preparation, and 20,000 takas on initial testing. Under IAS 16, what is the initial capitalized cost? Option 1. 1 million takas. Option 2. 1,100,000 takas. Option 3. 1,080,000 takas. Correct answer is 1,100,000 takas. 2. Dhaka Enterprises buys a delivery van for 600,000 takas. The accountant mistakenly debits the first year's comprehensive vehicle insurance premium of 40,000 takas to the motor vehicle's asset account. What is the impact on the financial statements? Option 1. Non-current assets are overstated and net profit is overstated. Option 2. Non-current assets are understated and net profit is understated. Option 3. Current liabilities are overstated and equity is understated. Correct answer is non-current assets are overstated and net profit is overstated. 3. On the 1st of July 2024, a firm whose financial year ends on the 31st of December purchases equipment for 400,000 takas. The asset has an estimated useful life of 5 years and a residual value of 40,000 takas. Calculate the depreciation charge for the year 2024 using the straight line method. Option 1. 36,000 takas. Option 2. 72,000 takas. Option 3. 40,000 takas. Correct answer is 36,000 takas. 4. A company buys a specialized diagnostic machine for 200,000 takas. It is depreciated at 20% per annum using the reducing balance method. Calculate the carrying amount net book value of the machine at the end of year 2. Option 1. 128,000 takas. Option 2. 120,000 takas. Option 3. 160,000 takas. Correct answer is 128,000 takas. 5. An entity sells an old item of office furniture for 35,000 takas cash. The original cost was 150,000 takas and accumulated depreciation up to the date of disposal was 120,000 takas. What is the financial outcome presented in the statement of profit or loss? Option 1. A gain on disposal of 5,000 takas recognized under other income. Option 2. A loss on disposal of 5,000 takas recognized under operating expenses. Option 3. A gain on disposal of 35,000 takas recognized directly in equity reserves. Correct answer is a gain on disposal of 5,000 takas recognized under other income. 6. Under IAS 16, property, plant, and equipment depreciation is fundamentally defined as Option 1. The systematic allocation of the depreciable amount of an asset over its useful life. Option 2. The tracking process used to adjust an asset's book value to its current liquidation value. Option 3. A cash preservation technique used to build a replacement fund for long-term assets. Correct answer is the systematic allocation of the depreciable amount of an asset over its useful life. 7. A company decides to switch its depreciation model for delivery trucks from the reducing balance method to the straight line method. Under IAS 8, this change must be treated as a Option 1. Change in accounting estimate, applied prospectively in the current and future periods. Option 2. Change in accounting policy, requiring a retrospective restatement of prior period figures. Option 3. Correction of an accounting error, adjusted directly through opening retained earnings. Correct answer is change in accounting estimate, applied prospectively in the current and future periods. 8. A firm spends 150,000 takas on a second-hand delivery truck and immediately incurs 30,000 takas on engine overhaul repairs to make it roadworthy for office operations. How should the overhaul cost be recorded? Option 1. Capitalized by debiting the motor vehicle's asset account. Option 2. Expensed by debiting the routine repairs and maintenance account. Option 3. Deferred on the balance sheet as a current prepaid expense row. Correct answer is capitalized by debiting the motor vehicle's asset account. 9. If a firm completely fails to record year-end depreciation on its office buildings, what is the cumulative effect on the published financial statements? Option 1. Non-current assets are overstated and net profit is overstated. Option 2. Non-current assets are understated and liabilities are understated. Option 3. Liabilities are understated and equity is understated. Correct answer is non-current assets are overstated and net profit is overstated. 10. In a corporate ledger system, the specialized tracking account titled Accumulated Depreciation carries a normal, blank, balance and is classified as a, blank. Option 1. Credit, contra asset account. Option 2. Debit, operating expense account. Option 3. Credit, non-current liability. Correct answer is credit, contra asset account. 11. An asset was purchased for 500,000 takas on the 1st of January 2023. It is depreciated at 10% per annum under the straight line method. On the 31st of December 2025, the asset is revalued to 420,000 takas. Calculate the revaluation surplus to be reported in other comprehensive income. Option 1. 70,000 takas. Option 2. 20,000 takas. Option 3. 50,000 takas. Correct answer is 70,000 takas. 12. Under IAS 36 impairment of assets, a non-current asset is said to be impaired when its carrying amount exceeds its recoverable amount. The recoverable amount is defined as the higher of Option 1. Fair value less costs of disposal, and value in use. Option 2. Historical cost, and current replacement cost. Option 3. Net realizable value, and gross liquidation value. Correct answer is fair value less costs of disposal, and value in use. 13. A business purchases a 5-year commercial patent right for 250,000 takas. The periodic allocation of this intangible non-current asset's cost over its useful life is technically termed Option 1. Amortization. Option 2. Depreciation. Option 3. Depletion. Correct answer is amortization. 14. When a company discards a completely broken machine that has zero residual value and is fully depreciated, cost equals 100,000 takas, accumulated depreciation equals 100,000 takas. The closing double entry is Option 1. Debit accumulated depreciation 100,000 takas, credit machinery account 100,000 takas. Option 2. Debit loss on disposal 100,000 takas, credit machinery account 100,000 takas. Option 3. Debit machinery account 100,000 takas, credit accumulated depreciation 100,000 takas. Correct answer is debit accumulated depreciation 100,000 takas, credit machinery account 100,000 takas. 15. A firm purchases land with an old building on it for 5 million takas. It pays 200,000 takas to a demolition contractor to clear the old building so a new factory can be built. The demolition cost should be Option 1. Capitalized into the cost of the land asset layout. Option 2. Expensed immediately in the statement of profit or loss. Option 3. Capitalized as a separate deferred revenue asset component. Correct answer is capitalized into the cost of the land asset layout. 16. Which of the following depreciation methodologies reflects an asset operational loop where the utility of the machine drops drastically in the earliest years of its life cycle? Option 1. Reducing balance method. Option 2. Straight line method. Option 3. Units of production method. Correct answer is reducing balance method. 17. An enterprise buys a heavy delivery crane on the 1st of January 2024 for 1,200,000 takas with an expected useful life of 20,000 operational hours. In 2024, the crane was utilized for 3,000 hours. Calculate the 2024 depreciation charge under the units of production method. Option 1. 180,000 takas. Option 2. 60,000 takas. Option 3. 240,000 takas. Correct answer is 180,000 takas. 18. When an accountant updates the records by passing a year-end adjusting entry for routine depreciation under the allowance framework, the matching ledger legs are Option 1. Debit depreciation expense account, credit accumulated depreciation account. Option 2. Debit accumulated depreciation account, credit non-current asset account. Option 3. Debit depreciation expense account, credit non-current asset account directly. Correct answer is debit depreciation expense account, credit accumulated depreciation account. 19. A company sells an old asset and routes the record through a specialized asset disposal account. If the disposal account ends up with a net credit balance before final closure, it signifies a Option 1. Gain on disposal, which is transferred as a credit to the profit or loss statement. Option 2. Loss on disposal, which is written off under administrative expenses. Option 3. Capital reserve addition item that cannot be reported in earnings. Correct answer is gain on disposal, which is transferred as a credit to the profit or loss statement. 20. Why is freehold land traditionally exempted from periodic depreciation charges under international accounting standards? Option 1. Land generally has an indefinite useful life and its economic value does not exhaust over time. Option 2. Land is a current liquid asset whose value changes too rapidly to establish stable rates. Option 3. The historical cost principle forbids the calculation of variations on landed property. Correct answer is land generally has an indefinite useful life and its economic value does not exhaust over time. 21. A business entity purchases a machine for 300,000 takas on credit from M.S. Rahman Machinery. The transaction must be initially documented in which subsidiary book? Option 1. Journal proper. Option 2. Purchases day book. Option 3. Cash book bank columns. Correct answer is journal proper. 22. An auditor discovers that a company capitalized routine office painting costs of 15,000 takas as part of the building's account. Correcting this error prior to statement finalization will: Option 1. Decrease reported net profit and decrease non-current assets. Option 2. Increase reported gross profit and increase current assets. Option 3. Decrease current liabilities with zero impact on equity frameworks. Correct answer is decrease reported net profit and decrease non-current assets. 23. Given, cost of asset equals 800,000 takas, accumulated depreciation at start of year equals 300,000 takas. If the depreciation rate is 15% per annum using the reducing balance method, calculate the current year's depreciation charge. Option 1. 75,000 takas. Option 2. 120,000 takas. Option 3. 45,000 takas. Correct answer is 75,000 takas. 24. A company acquires a commercial delivery van on the 1st of October 2025. The company's policy is to charge depreciation on a monthly pro rata basis. If annual depreciation is 48,000 takas and the year ends on the 31st of December 2025, what is the charge? Option 1. 12,000 takas. Option 2. 48,000 takas. Option 3. 36,000 takas. Correct answer is 12,000 takas. 25. If a business adopts the full year in year of acquisition, 0 year in year of disposal policy, how much depreciation is charged in the year an asset is sold? Option 1. Nil. 0 depreciation is charged for that final period. Option 2. A full 12 months of depreciation regardless of the sale date. Option 3. A pro rata amount calculated up to the exact day of disposal. Correct answer is nil. 0 depreciation is charged for that final period. 26. When a non-current asset is revalued upwards, the double entry requires a debit to the asset account and a credit to the Option 1. Revaluation surplus account presented within equity OCI. Option 2. Statement of profit or loss under other operating income. Option 3. General retained earnings ledger folder directly. Correct answer is revaluation surplus account presented within equity OCI. 27. An entity purchases a delivery truck for 1,500,000 takas. It estimates the residual value will be 300,000 takas. If the total depreciable amount of this asset is to be systematically allocated, what is that baseline amount? Option 1. 1,200,000 takas. Option 2. 1,500,000 takas. Option 3. 1,800,000 takas. Correct answer is 1,200,000 takas. 28. A firm incurs 40,000 takas to train staff on how to use a newly integrated enterprise software system. Under IAS 38, this training cost must be: Option 1. Expensed immediately in the statement of profit or loss. Option 2. Capitalized as a component of the intangible asset cost sheet. Option 3. Deferred under current prepayments and written off over 3 years. Correct answer is expensed immediately in the statement of profit or loss. 29. The net book value of a company's office equipment is 220,000 takas. If it sells the equipment for 190,000 takas cash, how is the transaction reported in the statement of cash flows indirect method? Option 1. 190,000 takas appears as an inflow under investing activities, and the 30,000 takas loss is added back to net profit in operating activities. Option 2. 220,000 takas appears as an inflow under investing activities with 0 operating corrections. Option 3. 190,000 takas appears as an inflow under financing activities rows. Correct answer is 190,000 takas appears as an inflow under investing activities, and the 30,000 takas loss is added back to net profit in operating activities. 30. Which of the following events represents a capital expenditure track that must be added to the carrying amount of an existing asset? Option 1. Constructing a new storage mezzanine floor that increases the usable capacity of the warehouse. Option 2. Replacing a broken side mirror on a delivery van during routine maintenance. Option 3. Paying the annual fire safety license renewal fee for the factory complex. Correct answer is constructing a new storage mezzanine floor that increases the usable capacity of the warehouse. 31. A company sells a machine on the 31st of December 2025 for 80,000 takas cash. The machine originally cost 200,000 takas on the 1st of January 2022 and was depreciated at 20% per annum under the straight-line method. Calculate the gain or loss on disposal. Option 1. A gain on disposal of 40,000 takas. Option 2. A loss on disposal of 40,000 takas. Option 3. A loss on disposal of 120,000 takas. Correct answer is a gain on disposal of 40,000 takas. 32. Under the historical cost convention, the cost of a non-current asset remains the baseline tracker. Which accounting concept justifies ignoring current market value fluctuations during routine asset cycles? Option 1. Going concern concept. Option 2. Materiality principle. Option 3. Money measurement framework. Correct answer is going concern concept. 33. A firm updates its accounts by tracking an exchange of non-current assets. It trades an old van carrying amount equals 50,000 takas for a new motorcycle worth 70,000 takas and pays 30,000 takas cash. What is the gain or loss on this exchange transaction? Option 1. A loss of 10,000 takas. Option 2. A gain of 20,000 takas. Option 3. A gain of 10,000 takas. Correct answer is a loss of 10,000 takas. 34. If a business layout uses the reducing balance method at a rate of 25% on a 400,000 takas asset, what is the specific depreciation charge for year 3? Option 1. 56,250 takas. Option 2. 75,000 takas. Option 3. 100,000 takas. Correct answer is 56,250 takas.